Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am super excited. I've got two beautiful hauls here from dekdesigns.com. And if you don't know, today is Wednesday. This is going up today. I normally don't post these on a Wednesday, I don't think, but I'm going to go ahead today because we're just trying to catch up today. Day after tax season. Whew. But today is Humpback Wednesday. So Humpback Wednesday on DEK is that you get a free kit if you order $19 or more in product. And so all my links are down below. Now, if I can encourage you, I also have a discount link down there for anything that is not a subscription box or a subscription kit or anything that's on special. So I use those codes and I get myself up to $19 after the discount code. So if you hear what I'm saying, then you get a freebie. I know. So work your codes. And then also I have an additional code that you can put in the comment box, KRIS, and that will get you an extra freebie. So you kind of want to do that because you get extra goodies. Okay. All right. So let's open this up. I'm totally intrigued with this because she's got ephemera in here and she knows how much I love ephemera. That is always one of my most favorite things in her kits, in her subscription boxes. So, yes. Let me see here. Okay, sorry for the rattle. And I'm going to save this to the end because that is my extra blessing. And I'm going to see what she did. So this one is called, this is my June mystery kit. Okay. Yay. So I think this is a part of the mystery kit. But I guess you put something extra in there. Wow, what if she did this for everyone? Now I've got to go look and see what everybody else got. Okay, so if you don't know, there is a subscription box that is phenomenal. You can go back, watch my June unboxing. It is fantastic. And then there is a mystery kit, a monthly mystery kit. And it took me forever to find it, but it is basically a scrapbook. Pardon me. It is a planner kit that is fully loaded plus something extra. So sometimes most of the time it's been washi, but I guess this month it's ephemera. I'm so excited. Okay, I have not even seen these yet. I love the colors. Oh my goodness, I love this. Well, I'm going to plan with this today. I've got some planning to do. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Foiling. They are always foiled. They are full on kits. I love the new tags. I love that. I love the font. It's almost calligraphy. I love that. A double calligraphy stroke. Love that. Ooh, I love pastels. If you can't tell, I really do. I mean, there's some winter colors I love too, but yeah. Ooh, I love all the extras. And we're getting ready to hang all these kinds of lights for my husband for either probably Father's Day, but we have to get our sitting area completed and then I'll hang all that. And I love the clips. I always have my hair up. I don't right now, which is very odd, but I'm getting ready to go get my shower. So, yep, I just want to get this done first. Oh, I love the banner and then the half scallops, additional half scallops, and then the kind of what I call the eyelet scallops. I just love those and the extra work. Oh, let's see these glamour. Oh, look. And she put a redhead in. I love it. Super cute. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So beautiful. I know she's cut back on her listers because not everybody uses them. I'm a person that does, so I'm hoping she'll offer an option for the additional listing. I love these. I use them every time. But what she's done is she's doing the 3, which is not a bad idea too because sometimes you don't need 5 listings for a day and it's better to have 3 top priorities. And so I don't know, maybe this will work, but I'd love 7 of them, but I guess day of rest, right? And I guess you can use your clipboards too. So yeah, okay, I got it figured out. It took me a minute there. I love the word like hump day, tidy day. I wish you did the Sunday special, but because we have a Sunday special with DEK, which is always fun. And then, look at the pre-done headers. Love that. And then the glitter headers. And then, more listers. Love that. And then the weekend. And then additional washies. Those are so pretty. Oh, goodness. I'm just keep going and going like this to see all the foiling. These are so much fun. I love these in my journal. They're kind of like, Post-it notes, little things like that. I love that. And then, cute. cute, cute, cute. Okay. There you go. And lots of red hair there, guys. So I love all this. This is so, I love the decorative. So that is a 1. Okay, you're probably counted 2. I think it's 7, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. Okay, let me hold on. 5, 6, 8, 7, 8 kit and 8.5. Love it. 8.5 page kit. I know. So that is the mystery kit for June. Love, love, love it. Now, I've also got, I tell you what, I'm going to do a part 2 to this. So you guys, well, no, I think I'm okay on time. Okay. I think I'm going to say, we're going to hang in here. So let's see what comes with this. Oh, so she did my name. I love it. Oh, thank you, Dawn. I love that. Oh, look at the flowers. She knows I've been asking her for flowers. Love that. And I think, oh, look at the lotus. That is perfect. And I love the dragonfly. And look at the keychain. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, that is like the world's best kit ever. Love it. That's perfect. Okay, so let me see. I've got an additional order that I placed, and it is thick. That's what I was thinking. Ooh, maybe I should do this separate, but let's just power through. Oh, look at the extra bow. I love that. So cute. It's kind of a wonky bow, and I love it. Super cute. Okay, and then this is one of those extra freebies you get if you put the name in the box, and I think you get one of these too. Oh, I got 3. I don't know how many you get, but I don't know if I get these because I'm on the PR team. I think you get one of these, but anyways, you'll have to let me know if you've ordered using my codes. Let me know what you get for your freebie sheets. If you get one of these or 2 or maybe 3, I don't know. And I think it varies month to month too. It also probably depends on how much when you do a substantial order, you know how that works. So, okay, I absolutely love the months of the year, so I ordered more. I asked Dawn, she has them in black. You can get them in different colors. So this is all rose gold. I asked Dawn specifically for these, and I have loved these. I have loved using these, period. End of discussion. So, okay, here's the Boo Bear sampler, which I love. Super cute. And since I'm getting ready to get out, I love that. And then here is, and I don't know the name of this little one, but super cute. It's escaping me right now. But super, super, super cute. That is, and I love the trip, or no, oh, that's shopping. I can't imagine what it's going to be like to shop again, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, these are the wacky holidays for June, which we're in the middle of June, but I'm going to go back and put those on because they're too much fun. Let's see. Bomb Pop Day on the 25th. Who remembers Bomb Pops from their kid? Oh, I love, love, love this one. Okay, so in Texas, when you have wildflowers in the spring and they're gorgeous, but when the heat sets in, when the summer's here, is when the sunflowers come out. Sunflowers have come out now. Yeah, they're here. So I love that. And of course, I'm growing like the sunflower seed sunflowers. So I've got 2 that are, oh, gosh, they're at least 6 feet tall. Yeah, really amazing. So they're still going. No flowers yet, just beautiful green, but isn't that beautiful? I love that washi. So beautiful. Okay. And then, oh, love that. Look at all the decoratives and the lemons. Oh, that's cute. Lemonade. That is so cute. And I love the truck, of course. Ooh, and there's your sidebar. Love this. I love that little bit of washi and thin washi. So cute. That's cute. And then, here's all my Lister's Got a List stuff, or list making. Love all that. And guys, when you have extra of those, save them. You can use them in your scrapbooking everywhere. Your journals, all that good stuff. So I love all that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? The pre-done headers, the glitter headers, the numbers, and the functionals. Okay, absolutely gorgeous kit. Gorgeous. Now, next one is Pink Sands. Oh, I love that. Anything beach. Isn't that gorgeous? Ugh, love it. Hello, summer. Yes. Maybe I'll plan with that one today. I don't know. I have 2 I need to get done. I love that washi. One day, I don't know if I'll ever get to. It's probably Fiji, I think, where you go, where you stay in little bungalows over the water, and it's gorgeous. I wish the Panhandle section of Florida had something like that. I would go and stay there, because when you are over that water, it is just clear and you can see all the way down. And I would love to go do that. I know, I know, I know. But oh, those are pretty half scallops, and I love that banner. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, those are neat here. Love that. Fun. Okay, Dawn's trying all kinds of new things, and I'm really enjoying. Okay, that is gorgeous. I love those colors. They're so beautiful and vibrant, and yeah, that just reminds me of like Florida. And I'm sure if you've been to Fiji and places like this, that is exactly what this is about. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Pre-done headers, decorative header, glitter headers, date dots, functionals, beautiful. Okay, so that one is called Pink Sands. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, another one. Hello, summer. I'm such a summer girl. Can you tell? Okay, this one is called Summer Dreamin'. So I am so dreaming of sitting on the beach. I cannot wait. Oh, I love those heart sunglasses. They're so cute. And they're pink. Ooh. Date dots. Love it. I don't know if that was a part of my order, but it's in there. Thank you. Thank you. I don't remember if that's a part of this kit. I don't remember. Those are so cute. So cute. All right. I mean, I grew up on the coast. I literally got up every day, put my bathing suit on, and put shorts and shirt over it. Yes. We lived in our bathing suits, unless I worked in an office, of course. But then I always had my bathing suit with me. So absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that washi. Oh goodness, I love that washi. Okay, look at the flowers. Oh, fun. There's our boxes, quarter, half. Love those. And then like I don't know, they're like header boxes. I don't know what you call them, but the decoratives are so cute here. The work. Half scallops, eyelet scallops, and then the banner. Oh, come on, guys. Isn't that cute? All right. Then you've got your pre-done headers, your glitter headers, more of your listers, and then your weekend and your washi. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And, okay, more listers. I use these for my menu, and I love the new word headers. I think they're great. They are perfect. And of course, I love the clipboards. So cute. So this one is called Summer Dreamin'. Love it. Yay, independence. I may have ordered 2 of these, but that's okay. I can use them in multiple places, scrapbooking and planner. So independence, love this. Anything, Home of the Brave, Be Brave, Love, God Bless America, America Brave. I love all that. Freedom, amen. Maybe she's giving these to go with our kids. I love it. Thank you, Dawn. I keep those separate because I keep them in a separate spot. So, oh, look at these girls. Oh, my goodness. I love it, Dawn. Thank you so much. I love these. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And, I love the days of the week. Isn't that washi just beautiful? I love when they bring in a touch of pink in the red, white, and blue. Totally floats my boat. I don't know why. Look at that halo silver. Isn't that just wild? And I love the postage stamp. Oh, those are so cute. Postage stamp boxes is what I would call them. But I love the boxes. Oh, God bless America. Love all that. Fun, fun, fun. And then here is the banner. The eyelet scallops, the half scallops, the work. And then, oh, look at those decoratives. Guys, literally, absolutely adore this. Love it. Look at the birdie and the cow. I love her bandana. And the pup. That's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Look at the listers this time. Isn't that the listing boxes? I love that. That is gorgeous. I wish that she had stickers of flowers like that. I love like ephemera stickers. Those are something I absolutely love. And either on clear or white is great. Sticky back, I love these. So, all right, love that. I do my menus on that. And guys, when you see menus like this and you think, oh, it's too dark to write on, use a white pen for your dark. And then when you get to the other, you could still use your white pen, but you could also like a white, I had one out here. I guess I put it in something. Okay. No, I do. It was hiding. So this is, I think, a Sakura. No, this is a Reminisce. This came with something. So this is a Marvy. But I usually use the Sakura Jelly Roll. I think it's white. But anyways, I think it's Jelly Roll. I'm not sure. But anyways, they're great. The Sakura white are great. So, and you can just write on those. And you can write on these. And it works out perfect. And then also, if it's not too dark, you can sometimes use a extra fine point washi. Okay, pre-done headers, glitter headers, more listers, checklist, and then weekend, and then washi. Love, love, love it. Love it. Okay, whoops, wait a minute. Okay, there we go. So this one is Independence. So we've got a lot of summer stuff going on here. All right, and then here is my June, which I was late getting these ordered, but these are my June monthlies, and I may not use them in my planner, but I may use them in my scrapbooking. So you can use these anywhere. You don't just have to use them in your planner. And look how beautiful these would be in your scrapbooking. Seriously, I mean, besides Bill do, but and maybe you want to do a week in a view, and so you would have that. But look at the date dots. I love those. So I'm trying to see their date squares, even better. Love it. And look at this one page. Wow, these have really gotten to be amazing. Thank you. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. So I have an order here with a lot of fun extras. And then I have my mystery June kit, which I love. And look below, there is the dekdesigns.com address link. There are coupon discount codes, and then there are freebie codes. So be sure you read how you enter them when you check out. And remember, today is Wednesday Humpback Day. So if you order after all your discounts, $19 or more in other purchases, you will get a gorgeous, it's so cute, camping themed, summer themed kit. And it's not necessarily camping. It could be hiking. It could be anything. So total summer, and it is free today. And I believe it's 7-page. It's always foiled. It's gorgeous, guys. So go take a look at it. I may be wrong on the pages because sometimes they vary a little bit, but go check it out on my Instagram. That link is below. And yeah. So, all right, friends. Thanks for being here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're doing a big giveaway at the 1,400 mark. We're going to have 2 winners. And then also, if you go back and watch some of my videos, there's another giveaway that's going to be going on, but it's in one of the videos. And it is really a blessing to get to be able to do that and give that back. So, all right, friends. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And in order to participate in the giveaways that I'm having, you must be subscribed, 18 years or older, and live in the United States. And I'm sorry, I don't have international shipping down right now, and I apologize. We just can't afford it right now. So I hope you guys can understand. And yeah, so like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what was your favorite. I know it's hard to pick. I do love this, but anything beach and I can't pick. I love them all. What can I say? I know. And I do love the monthlies. And I love the wacky holidays. Those are too much fun. All right. And then anything ephemera. Okay, I'm going to stop. All right. So love it all. What can I say? All right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to all of our new friends. So glad you're here. Say hello back. I'd love to say hello back. And we've been going through internet problems the last 2 days. So if I'm not answering you right away, of course, we were getting through the tax deadline, and then internet on the last day of tax season. Oh, how fun was that? Not. But anyway, but we got it done. Praise God. So, all right, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Go out and make it a good day. Choose to make it a good day. All right, friends, no matter what is going on. And I totally understand difficult days. But let's choose this day, okay? All right, friends. Have a great day. Love y'all. See you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.